In this lesson, we'll review a problem from the Identify the Error section. It's part of the Writing Multiple Choice. We're on page 472, question 25. Again, this section is always from 12 through 29. It gets progressively harder, so 25, this is a moderate to difficult question. It's a level 4. It's not inherently hard, but a lot of students overlook this error. It's commonly tested. So let's take a look. Peter's seemingly effortless flights, achieved through the use of sophisticated technical equipment, continues to delight those who see the play Peter Pan. And I've put Peter Pan in the salmon color. It's supposed to be italics, but obviously it's the name of a title. All right, so let's just go through this. The first one, seemingly effortless flights. Flights is a noun. Effortless is an adjective. We know adverbs modify adjectives and verbs and other adverbs, but in this case, it's correct, modifying an adjective. Achieved through. So if you see a verb and a preposition, sometimes it's the idiomatic error. Is this the wrong preposition? Is it achieved by? You can kind of test this. Just think about in your mind other sentences with achieved through, and this is really correct. There's really an obvious error here, so B is not the answer, and I'm just going to skip to D. Anytime you're referring to a person, we've had this rule, the pronoun we always use is who. We're talking about people. It doesn't have to be a person's name. It could be the employee, who, never that. So let's look up here. This is a very common rule. The answer is C here. This is subject-verb agreement. So we've got the subject here, flights, and then we have comma, achieved through the use of sophisticated technical equipment, comma. See how this whole phrase is set off by commas on either side? That's called an appositive. It's really just a long parenthetical sentence. And the best way to test when you have an appositive is just to simply cross it out. So this is just extra information. The flights, that's the subject, and we're going to just cross all this out. We don't need it. And now read it. The flights, and now here's the verb, after the comma, continues. This is classic subject-verb agreement, but College Board puts lots of space to confuse the student. Continues is plural, or flights is plural. Continues is singular. We have to drop the S. It should be continue. So whenever you see an appositive, a long phrase set off by commas, just cross it out. It'll make it much easier to identify subject-verb agreement. All right, the answer here is C. It should be continue to agree with flights. See you next time. Thanks for watching.